Hi Saints, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Eclectic Home Designs. And today we're going to talk about styling your nightstand. And the first thing that you want to have behind on your nightstand or behind your nightstand is a nice size mirror. There's no mirror here that's in the office. It's actually broken. I will show it to you guys. I'll insert a picture of it so you guys can see it. But you should have a mirror there in the back wall there. And then the next thing you should have is a lamp. I got this one at Amazon. It came in a pair. And then always see if you can try to get a lamp that has these ports here. The next thing you want to have is a bouquet of roses, whether it be faux flowers or real flowers. Mine's are faux flowers from Amazon, but have a nice bouquet by your bedside. And then of course add a decorative piece just to make it feel warm and inviting, and maybe add some color to that decorative piece. Mine happens to be I think that's a dove or some kind of a bird, and there was this spot there. I don't know what it was really for. I thought it was for a candle, so I just stuck a candle in here. And then the other thing you want to have is a diffuser. You always want to have your room smelling really, really nice, and so just you don't have to get a large size diffuser. Mine's actually a really small one, but get a small diffuser and put some really nice scents like a lavender or a peppermint scent in there. The other thing you want to have by your bedside is Alexa. Alexa is awesome. She can also be used as an alarm clock, but you can also play music on her and ask her different things that you need to ask her about or need to know. She's like a little Google. Okay, the other thing is having a tissue holder. I always keep a tissue holder, a decorative one, by my bedside. This one happens to have space for storage. You can put jewelry there, you can put your phone there, just about anything there. And then the other thing that I like to have by my bedside, which I think is nice on a bedside table, is some water. But instead of using like a regular bottle of water, just use a carafe. And put your water in there. It's decorative and has a cup, has a lid. It's just really cute. Other thing is you want to put a coaster in case you have a glass of wine or some other type of juice. Just want to protect your furniture. And yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. I think I covered all the bases. I had no tissue in that tissue holder, as you guys can see, but you can tell it's for a tissue. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share 9 items with you that you should have by your bedside table. It's gonna make it look beautiful. It's gonna make it function, and it's just gonna make it feel warm and inviting. So anyways, thank you for checking out this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.